look how that looks. And you can do this all in a few minutes. Like, this is wild. You can have your own foil stickers in a few minutes and you could do it at home. Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video. Y'all, I am so excited to film this video because I have been waiting like 2 months to do it. Like, I've been putting this video off. So if you haven't seen the title yet, today's video is going to be a demo of me using the Heidi Swapp Minc machine. And y'all, I love this. It's so easy to use and you can have foil stickers in just a few minutes. So I'm going to show you the demo and I'm going to give any kind of tips and tidbits, especially if you never used this before, because there are some things that are in the instructions that, no, there are things that are not in the instructions that I had to figure out for myself. So I want to tell you guys in advance before you try to use your own. And when you do foil, these are how the stickers will come out. So the one on top is the black one. That's the one I'll be using to demo. And then the one on the bottom is how it looks when it's foiled. And this sticker sheet was created by me. I used to sell it in my shop, but I no longer sell things. But I'm gonna do a demo on that sticker sheet that I created. And then I just wanted to show a couple of other sticker sheets. One of my favorite ones that I did was this affirmation script sticker sheet that I created. I also foiled it too, and it looks really, really nice. I love making stickers for myself. It saves me so much money, but I'm gonna buy stickers anyway because I am a stationery addict, so it doesn't even matter. The first tidbit that I want to start with is that when you're using the foil machine, you can't use stickers with other colors on it. So keep that in mind. You can't just use any kind of sticker sheet and expect it to be foiled. So you have to use a sticker sheet that is all black, and it also has to be laser printer ink. So that's something to think about when you get this machine. I had to look that up. That wasn't in the instructions. I didn't even know. The light just turned green, which means it's ready. But before we use it, I do want to tell you guys about the type of foil that you are supposed to use on the machine. So this is something I had to do trial and error and research on, but apparently there's a certain kind of foil that you use on the Minc machine. You can't just use any kind of foil. So the two main brands that I know of that I've been using is from the Heidi Swapp, brand. It is made for the Minc machine, so you can use, look at me, y'all, I can't even get this open. Let me try to find what is open, but I want to show y'all the foil. But anyways, this one is made for the Minc machine, and this is like the Minc brand or whatever, so I do recommend getting this one if you're new to it and not sure. But I'm gonna say it's a little bit pricey, and you don't get a lot. But this is how the foil looks, and I think it looks really nice. All of the foils are shiny like that, so it's so many colors, y'all. Like, I was overwhelmed trying to do research. Okay, so I had to buy a lot just to try it out. But I do like this brand. It does adhere really, really good. So highly recommend it. However, if you are looking for like a more affordable, they're kind of around the same price. But this one's really good too. This is the Deco Foil. By the way, I didn't even mention. I will link it all down below. But I bought all of this on Amazon. Everything, including the machine and the Deco Foil. But I like the Deco Foil because, so the Minc was, I can't get that open either. The Minc was like on a roll. This one, however, the Deco Foil is sheets. So I actually think I like the sheets better. I don't know why. Actually, you know what? Both of them have their advantages, but I like the sheets better because sometimes with the roll, I don't roll it back good and it's hard for me to get it back in there. And the same thing kind of happens with the sheets. Actually, I think it's harder to put the sheets back in the container versus the roll. So I would say the roll is easier to use. But I don't know why. I like that it was separated in sheets because I thought I was going to get a roll for all of them. And then there are other kind of foils that I purchased, but I won't really be using them in this video because I tried to use one and it messed it up. Y'all, the coolest part about the foil is some of it is holographic. Like in the previous clip, I showed the difference of regular versus holographic. But the holographic is so nice and colorful. So in this video, I will be doing the holographic foils, and I'm gonna do Halloween colors. So orange, green, purple. Those are the colors I'm gonna be doing. And my favorite one is the purple. Like, look at all the rainbow colors while it's just sitting on the table. It is so nice. Also, guys, let me know how the quality of my video is. I've been trying a different software and stuff, and I noticed it changes the quality a little bit, but this is temporary until I can try to get a new computer. But anyways, look at this foil. Oh my gosh, look at this foil. It's so pretty. And here's the difference up close. Excuse me, y'all. Oh my God. Here's the difference up close. It's just holo versus like regular. The regular is nice. However, when I got the holo, I fell in love. So the Minc machine comes with just the machine, and then it comes with this clear sheet that you have to put through the machine. This is where you're going to put your stickers and your foil on the inside of it and put it through the machine. So it's kind of like a protector. And y'all see that little stain on there, that rainbow? That came from some foil I tried to use. Like, that's why I won't be using that foil. I feel like many brands, y'all, what the hell? I guess because I woke up this morning, that's what I get. I always wake up and try to do these voiceovers in the morning. I wanted to do it last night, but I was so tired. Like, I have a flight that I have to get on, so I was tired. But excuse my crackling voice. But I have to get this video out because I've been wanting to get this out. So anyways, you need some scissors. You're going to use that scissors to cut your foil to measure your sticker sheet because you can cut it down, of course. And I will be using a sticker sheet, and I'm going to put it inside this clear sleeve before I put it in the machine. So we're going to go ahead and measure it out, cut it up, put it in the sleeve, and then put it in the machine. After you do that, now you can go ahead and just put it in the machine. So if you notice, this machine is similar to a laminator. So it's pretty much just like a laminator. It heats up and everything. So that's something to keep in mind that I should have mentioned. So anytime I use heat machines, always put it on a protective surface. So this is a mouse pad that I'm using. It's just a giant mouse pad or whatever. Actually, it's a gaming pad that you play Pokemon trading cards on. But I'm using it as something else. Let me go get some water because this is ridiculous. I'll be right back. Let me get some water. Okay, so y'all see that rainbow whatever right there? That foil left a stain and it didn't even adhere to my sticker sheet. So I'll put it in my description what not to use unless I did it wrong. But no, I did it all the same way. And I forgot to give another tidbit. Oh, okay. So this is another tidbit. Anytime you put the foil on, because this was not in the instructions, put the foil facing up and put it on top. I did it the other way. So it kept not adhering and I was wondering why I was wasting foil. So make sure you do it just like I do it in this video to ensure that you get an adhesion on your sticker sheet. Do not do it any other way. And a reminder to make sure that you use black laser printer ink. I don't know about ink printers, but this is just per my research because I had to look up some stuff. I was lost. But this is how we're looking. And I do put it in twice. That's just me. I don't think you have to because you see the numbers at the top are for the temperature of the machine. So different things require different temperatures. I think it goes up to 5. It starts at 0 and goes to 5. I do 4 because 5 is a little too hot, but yeah. If you feel like it did not adhere, just put it through the machine again or raise the temperature. But I just like to put it in twice for good measure, but you don't have to if you put a high enough temperature. So that's another thing that I wanted to mention. So this is how it looks at the end. You would just open up the clear sleeve, protective sleeve thing, you know, and then you can go ahead and just take off your foil and then you will have a foiled sticker sheet. So here's the reveal of mine. Yay! It looks so good. I love it. Now, some of the times it might be like, I don't know how to explain it, chipped in some places, but not always. That's why using the right temperature is important. And like I said, I usually use 4, but I have had times where I used 5, which is the highest temperature. But this is how it looks. Really pretty. It really dresses up the sticker sheet. And I will go ahead and do one in the holo purple as well as green. So I got my Halloween colors. And here's another one that I did before I go put my spread together. So y'all, this holo is so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. The rainbow really sets it off. But this is mostly purple. But that holo, it just does something different. Look how that looks. And you can do this all in a few minutes. Like, this is wild. You can have your own foil stickers in a few minutes and you could do it at home. So I'm just going to show the ones that I did. And I did also do a green one, but I don't think I did it on camera. And now we're going to go ahead and use these in a micro happy planner spread. So in this Halloween spread, it is going to be in my micro happy planner, which, oh, look at that cover, y'all. I did so good this Halloween with doing a few micro crafts, like really cute. I already did some of my spread. These are cute little ghosty die cuts that I got from Amazon, and I did them with foam sheets. Same thing with the moon. And one thing about the moon is that I used some solar paste, so the moon has like a shimmer to it. Really pretty, and I think it's a great contrast to the purple glitter paper that I used. So I just can't wait to put this spread together. We're gonna go ahead and use the stickers that I did on the Minc machine. And y'all, I'm actually happy to show off my nails because I started back doing my nails myself again, and I just found a new method for this gel ink. So if it stays, y'all know I'm gonna put y'all on and tell y'all about it. Anyways, that holo again. That holo is our favorite. That's the regular foil, but you know what? I should have did holo on all of them because that holo hit. That's the green right there. That holo hit. It's so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and put it across the top. I kind of wanted to do like ghosties flying around kind of thing. And I was just going to have the box stickers kind of at the top. Something like that. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I thought it'd be nice. Also, forgive me. I haven't had long nails in a while. So I'm going to have to use tweezers, which is a good tidbit. You know, if you have long nails and you do this kind of stuff, use tweezers to help you place things because sometimes your nails can really get in the way. Y'all, Amazon has really been my go-to for a lot of stuff. Oh, also, because why not? I'm not going to gatekeep here, especially I don't have, you know, business. Look, so the sticker sheets that I use are from, I think they're from Online Labels or something like that. So that's what I use to make my stickers. Really good, high quality. I love them. And then on top of that, like, there's many different kinds to choose from. Like on this one, it kind of cut too far to the left a little. So I was going to cut that little white part off at the end. But other than that, I think the machines, like cutting machines, register it really well. And I've been making stickers for a while now. So I can't say that I like the paper a lot. And y'all, I've been drinking water. Why is my voice still cracking? You know what? I probably just need to go to bed. I probably just need to go back to bed. I'm up so early this morning. But I wanted to get this video done because it's Halloween. So happy Halloween to my Zoidies. Here's a Halloween inspiring spread for your ass. So now my spread is finished. Let me go ahead and hole punch it and everything before I put it in my micro. But y'all, this spread came out so nice. The foil really brings another element to it. So now I got all this stuff going on. I got the foam sheets going on. I got the glitter going on. I got the foil going on. I got the solar paste going on. It's just a lot going on. It got dimension. It's extra. I just absolutely love it. I think this was a fun planner spread to do for Halloween. And on top of that, y'all, I hope I gave y'all some inspo. Because when I tell you, if you need someone who can decorate a planner and help you decorate yours, come visit my channel. Like, I have been throwing down with these planner spreads, and I am loving the way it's coming out and how much I'm learning. It is so fun. And then on top of that, y'all, if you're also looking to fuel your hobby, try a new hobby, please check me out. I also do lifestyle and beauty videos from time to time, so please check out my channel. Like, when I tell you, I just love the direction my channel is going. My subscribers are growing. I really thank you guys. Like, it just, from the bottom of my heart, it makes me so happy that you guys just love seeing me put these planner spreads together. Like, this shit is cute. I'm not gonna even lie. That's my breast cancer spread. But this Halloween spread is really hitting. And then I did do another like spooky spread a little while back. So like my micro is hitting, okay? Period. It's on point. And I am in love with the spreads that I do. And I'm just so glad that you guys love it too. Like, you guys don't understand how happy it makes me knowing that like y'all like my little crafts. Like, cause some days I be thinking, do y'all even care? Like, seriously. But y'all like my stuff. So thank you guys again for, I don't know, liking my shit. Here I'm just showing off a little book I made. I actually got a little book guide maker, whatever, recently. So I was just playing with it because, you know, I'm going to do a demo in the future on my channel. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Like, get yourself a Minc machine if you want to elevate the stickers that you put in your planner. If you're trying to elevate your planner spreads and stuff, y'all try that Minc machine.